Hey folks, so back with another unboxing. GODOX Cube SC Kit 2 wireless lavalier mic. Nice little box. You can see on the side it has two transmitters and a receiver, USB-C receiver. Not much more to see on the outside of the box. It says it's got Chinese, so I can't really read that. So let's get right into it. Why not? Let's not waste any time. It's just an unboxing. Got a QR code here. It's probably the manual. If you want to look at it electronically, the dry pack, GODOX in the bag. See, let's check out what's in the bag. Put the box aside. We've got the manual, some stickers, and quick start guide. Put those aside. Let's get right into why we're here. Nice case. All right, very nice case. Open it up. You can see I got my focusing issues worked out. Here is the device itself. This would be the receiver. Got USB-C here. It's got the built-in battery, so it's got 3 indicators right now, indicating it's got 3 levels of charge. It's got to take that off. So I just pushed it in. You saw it go in. So it obviously pulls out to reveal the USB-C. So this will, I guess this will work on my iPhone 16 Pro Max USB-C or Android. You adjust this lighting a little bit, maybe a little bit in your face. And 2 transmitters, magnet on the back. All right. Button on the top is power, pairing, 3 connectors on the side for charging in the case. Reminds me of a set of AirPods I once had. Not Apple AirPods, but you know what I mean. It's got 2 dead cats, 2 windscreens. It's got a, I'm not sure what this is for yet. Probably got onboard recording. So it has a pin. This is usually for removing cards, right? So I have to, when I look in the manual, I'll see what that's for. Oh, it's a reset. It has it right here. The whole. Does have the clips. I was wondering about that. So you can decide not to go with the inside the shirt, kind of magnet, and you can decide I want a clip. Right. And there you go. You got a clip. Now that's tight down. It comes off pretty easy. The magnet feels a lot stronger. So you got 2 clips. All right. See what we got up in here. USB, likely C to A. Yeah, C to A charging cable. And is this magnetic? Yeah, so this is a sort of, I guess you can clip it onto the back of the mic and hang it. It has a G on it. It's magnetic, so you can wrap it around your neck and hang it. This, I guess, is an easy way to walk around with the mic, right? Put it around your neck as like a necklace style, but that's what it is. That's what it comes with, folks. So I'm going to review this. I'm going to test it out, and I'll come back. I'll write the full review, and you can check it out using the link in the description below. The GODOX Cube SC Kit 2.